so that in case we want to block this point up to pull another point down, and you might be half on and half off the center alley of the machine, we built it so it's the same height as the deck of the machine. All right, now it's time to start the repair on our 3500 series Silverado. I've been underneath it for quite a while, trying to determine what's wrong. We've had our measuring tram gauge underneath there with us, and I've determined that the hit came right down through here, through the fender, hit the wheel, put a nice kink in the frame rail right behind the cross member. Took this ball joint back about 3/4 of an inch, pull the front around about 3/4 of an inch. This rail has lost some distance compared to its brother on the other side. So we're going to be making a pull straight out to the side to try to get this kink out. We're going to be making a pull on the lower control arm forward, and through the triangular nature of this lower control arm, that will help push the front end around and bring the kink out. We're going to be making a pull on the front of the rail, pulling for length, and then we're going to be making a pull around to that side to bring the whole front of the vehicle around. All this at one time without the rest of the truck moving. Now, I've set this pull up over here, and it has its own individually controlled pump. Now I will reposition this side puller . Now this is a minimum of 4 pulls for this type of a hit. Pull going across the front, pull at the kink, pull on the lower control arm, pull on the rail itself, trying to achieve length. Another unique feature of the BlackJack Frame Machine is our safety cables. That's one of those just-in-case deals. Now, I've got 3 pulls on this one airline with this 5-pull air manifold. There's my pull for length. There's my pull on the lower ball joint. There's my pull out to the side at the kink. There's my pull going around. Length, ball joint, to the side, length, ball joint, to the side, around. It's really time to measure. With this many pulls, you really have to be careful not to over pull. All right, we've done some pulling. I've gone up underneath the machine again with my tram gauge. We're going in the right direction. Everything is coming in the right way. The ball joint is now only about